Hello everyone, welcome back to Week 12 Answers of Basics of Mechanical Engineering 3 in NPTEL course. Let us see the question number 1. Dash type of data is known as non-numeric. Option A quantitative, option B qualitative, option C primary, option D secondary. The correct answer is option B qualitative. Let us see the explanation. Qualitative data is descriptive and is often collected through observations, interviews, and open-ended questions to provide insight into the why and how behind certain observers or phenomena. Examples: a person, eye color, customer opinions on a product. So the correct answer is option B qualitative. Question number 2. What is the name given to the data arrangement in ascending or descending order for frequency analysis? Option A histogram, option B frequency distribution, option C correlation, option D regression. The correct answer is option B frequency distribution. Let us see the explanation. The arrangement of data in ascending or descending order for analysis is called an array. This sorted data is often used to construct a frequency distribution. So the correct answer is option B frequency distribution. Question number 3. Which method is not mentioned as a part of inferential statistics? Option A hypothesis testing, option B regression testing, option C ANOVA, option D all of these are mentioned. The correct answer is option D all of these are mentioned. Let us see the explanation. The mentioned three hypothesis testing, regression testing, ANOVA are not mentioned as part of inferential statistics. They all commonly used methods in inferential statistics. So the correct answer is option D. All of these are mentioned. Question number 4. Dash is the commonly used significance level in probability. Option A P less than 0.01, option B P less than 0.05, option C P greater than 0.05, option D P equal to 0.1. The correct answer is option B P less than 0.05. Let us see the explanation. This means, that means P less than 0.05 means there is a less than 5% probability that the observed results occurred by chance alone. It is the most common threshold for rejecting the null hypothesis, indicating that there is a statistically significant effect. So the correct answer is option B P less than 0.05. Question number 5. What shape is the curve of a normal distribution? Option A bell shaped, option B U shaped, option C S shaped, option D flat. The correct answer is option A bell shaped. Let us see the explanation. A normal distribution, often called a bell curve, is characterized by a symmetrical, smooth curve with the highest point at the center and tapering off towards the ends. You can also see this graph. This is the normal curve distribution in the shape of bell shaped. So the correct answer is option A bell shaped. Question number 6. Type 2 error is the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is true. Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option B false. Let us see the explanation. Type 1 error. You can see the difference between type 1 errors and type 2 errors. Type 1 error occurs when you incorrectly reject the null hypothesis when it is actually true. This is a false positive. Type 2 error occurs when you fail to reject the null hypothesis when it is actually false. This is a false negative. So the correct answer is option B, false. Question number 7. Which term refers to a variable or attribute influencing the characteristics being investigated in DOE? Option A, level. Option B, factor. Option C, noise. Option D, state. The correct answer is option B, factor. Let us see the explanation. In design of experiments, the term for a variable or attribute influencing the characteristic being investigated is a factor. Factor means this is an independent variable that is manipulated or controlled by the experimenter. For example, in an experiment testing the effect of fertilizer on plant growth, the type of fertilizer is a factor. So the correct answer is option B, factor. Question number 8. Dash is important to be measured in the outcome in the response parameters of the design of experiments. Option A, factor. Option B, level. Option C, consistency. Option D, state. The correct answer is option C, consistency. Let us see the explanation. Consistency is important to be measured in the outcome in the response parameters of the design of experiments. So the correct answer is option C, consistency. Question number 9. Which statistical measure describes the probability of a single event occurring? Option A, mean. Option B, mode. Option C, median. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option D, none of these. Let us see the explanation. Uh, you you can see the meaning of mean, mode, median. Mean means the mean is the average value in a data set. It does not measure probability. Mode means the mode is the most frequently occurring value in a data set. It does not measure probability. Third one, median. The median is the middle value in a sorted data set. It does not measure probability. So the correct answer is option D, none of these. Okay, the last question, term represents the regression residual or error term in the regression equation is option A, beta naught. Option B, x. Option C, y. Option D, epsilon. The correct answer is option D, epsilon. Let us see the explanation. The term that represents the regression residual or error term is epsilon. It captures the difference between the observed values of the dependent variable y and the values predicted by the regression model. So the correct answer is option D, epsilon. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.